Dear lecturers, this video provides a step-by-step guide on marking attendance in SmartSchool, an important process that directly impacts a student's academic record and exam eligibility. Steps to mark attendance. Log in to SmartSchool using your college email ID and the password provided. Once logged in, go to the Classroom module. You will see a list of classes assigned to you. Select the classroom based on the classroom code for which you wish to mark attendance. Scroll down to find the Attendance tab and click Take Attendance. A new wizard will open and it will display the student list along with the class duration, in minutes. In case if lecturer need to take a class with additional duration than allocated or displayed, lecturer can enter it in the extra duration field in minutes format. Based on it, the aggregate duration will be displayed in list view next to each student. Marking attendance. If a student attended the full duration, no changes are to be done. But if student is absent, you can enter 0 in duration field for respective student. If a student joined late or left early from class, for example joined after 30 minutes or left class 15 minutes before class ends, update their correct attended duration in minutes. Once the marking is done for all students, click on Create Sheet and the attendance will be recorded. Kindly note, once attendance is entered, it can't be edited, so enter the details correctly. Now you will be able to see the attendance line with date, total students and total present. Attendance percentages are calculated automatically based on the total attended duration and total class duration. Kindly inform students of this and ask them to check attendance from SmartSchool Attendance menu. As attendance percentage determines final exam eligibility, please update records accurately and promptly. If you have any questions, please contact our SmartSchool helpline at 753 3665. Thank you for your cooperation, and we look forward to your continued contributions to MI College.